Cooking through COVID, puffed wheat squares with Bana. I did a mix of the first two recipes, and here's my math for doing a 3/4 recipe. What you will need to make this puffed wheat cake. Recipe, or this video. Math. Measuring utensils. Pot and something to stir it with. Pan. Butter. Corn syrup. Sugar. Honey, optional. Vanilla, optional. Peanut butter, optional. Cocoa, optional. Puffed wheats, not optional. Also time, about 15 minutes, and a stove. Also a spatula. I'm doing a mix of the two recipes on the page. We'll see how it works. Plus, I'm doing a 3/4 recipe of the top recipe, and I'm using all white sugar and extra cocoa. 1/4 cup margarine. Grease pan with a bit of margarine or oil. Melt margarine in the pot. 1.5 quarter cups syrup. 3/4 cup sugar. 3/4 cup teaspoon of honey. Nah, honey's awesome. Heaping tablespoon. Nah, peanut butter's awesome too. Heaping tablespoon. 2 tablespoons cocoa. Boil together. Once it's boiling, remove from heat. Add 3/4 of a teaspoon vanilla. Stir it again. Surprise ingredient? Oatmeal? No. 6 cups puffed wheat. Stir. Put in greased pan. Distribute spoon and bowl to family members or yourself for taste testing. Do the dishes and put stuff away. Optional to cut it into squares or use a spoon, and enjoy. You've been watching Cooking Through COVID, puffed wheat squares with Bana.